beauties, welcome to Winnie Styles. I want you guys to check out this low maintenance haircut for beautiful women. If your mornings don't include a van bush and half an hour of styling, you are not alone, because this easy cuts are designed just to look good with that minimal effort. Why? Because life's just too short for fuzzy hair. One good thing about today's hairstyle is a wash and go haircut. Many people are not that fan of styling tools, because myself, I'm not that fan of styling tools, and the classic short natural haircut has your back, so it really dries beautifully and needs barely a touch up between the trims. Just try to stick to those simple maintenance schedule to keep your hair pampered. I love the style because you can see how with this contemporary touch the haircut works best with natural texture and movement, and it's a style that boosts volume. You can just crunch in some texturizing spray and skip the brush. It's just a low effort, but it's full of personality. So this is a haircut that goes well with all hair texture. You can see they are flattering and surprisingly easy to manage. Just try to use some heat protection if you really want to do a quick blowout, because you can see how the styles look so beautiful and polished. This style really hugs the hair just right and offers that sleek look that is anything but flat. Don't forget that regular salon visits for trims will help to support your hair health and then the cuts immaculate shape. So let me just let you guys know please about the rest of the styles we have. God bless you guys and see you in my next upload.